Hi, this is John with WTI and looking for better options or of snacks while I'm working. I work from home. I do all of my activities from home, most of them. So I was looking for a better alternative when it comes to snacking. And this is where this Quaz bar comes in. So this is a bar that at first is gonna taste great. This is the cookies and cream option and flavor that you can find here. But this is a high protein, low sugar protein bar that you can find. So it tastes awesome. Whenever you can just grab one of these bars and you're gonna feel full for a good time. As it's high protein is gonna do and support great for your protein goals of the day. And it's just easy, comfortable just to take it to anywhere after a gym session, after you're done with a great job, great day of job. So if you're looking for a great option, great flavor, low calorie, and at the same time high protein bar, this one from Quest is a great one. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.